Good morning. Today I'm in Koh Tao and I am very excited because we're going to go on a boat trip in a minute and we're going to visit Koh Nang Yuan, which is very beautiful. So I am so excited right now. Anyway, let's get on with it. First stop of the day, Nang Yuan. This is a beautiful place, man. This is gonna be awesome. So, Koh Nang Yuan. First things first, up to the viewpoints. So, there we go. That's beautiful. So that's one of the best things I've seen out here in Thailand. That's fucking amazing. Let's see what else there is to see here in Koh Nang Yuan. They also have like a small restaurant here. This has to be, this is in my top list in Thailand. This is the best place I've seen so far. Not the best place to be in, but the best place to visit. Because, well, you can stay here for a day, for a night in a house like this. They start at like 1,500 up to 3,000 for a beachfront villa, which for this location is not too bad, I think. So, now on to the next one, which is probably going to be Mango Bay. Third stop of the day, which is Hin Wong Bay, and they have some nice houses up the hills here, all the way there. And now it's time for some more snorkeling. That's enough of that. Some nice fishes down there, and now on to the next bay. Next place we're stopping at is Shark Bay. So, should be some turtles and some sharks. Let's just hope not to get eaten. Well, let's see some sharks. sharks to be seen. That was a nice turtle. Maybe more like next morning. This was Shark Bay. And Shark Bay without sharks. Okay, so we arrived at the last stop of the day, which is Koh Nang Yuan.
What is it? You say, what is it?
Nice, nice. Back on the mainland. That was our day trip with the boat. Very nice. No sharks, just a turtle. And captain catching some squid. So that was nice. You need to do this when you go to Koh Tao, I guess. So anyway, that was a fun day. See you on the next one.